From the brink of death to turning into dust, the human body goes through 6 stages in total. The first stage, sudden rally before death. Before a human dies, all parts of the body report urgent conditions to the command center, the brain. When the brain judges that this body has reached the end and there is no way to save it, in order to let the owner fulfill the final wish, it decides to use up all remaining resources for once. At this time, it issues the final command, sudden rally before death, requiring all departments to use up all stored energy and release all remaining hormones. After the command is issued, the hypothalamus is activated first. The pituitary gland responds urgently, and the nervous system, endocrine system, and immune system work simultaneously, continuously releasing various stress hormones to all organs. The pituitary gland quickly acts on the adrenal glands to release adrenaline. After adrenaline takes effect, some people may suddenly get up, walk freely, speak in a loud voice, and even have a ruddy complexion. But all this is just an illusion. Organs will quickly be overdrawn and fail after 1 to 3 days. At this point, the human body enters the second stage, cardiac death. When a person's heart stops beating and blood circulation ceases, their body has already entered a state of death. However, at this time, brain cells have not all died due to lack of oxygen, and consciousness can still exist for 5 to 6 minutes. Studies by the University of Manchester in the UK show that many people who experience cardiac arrest can hear the conversation of medical staff during rescue. Some patients can even accurately describe the scene that occurred after waking up. Therefore, if a person sheds tears after cardiac death, do not be afraid. They may have heard the cries of their loved ones, but are unable to make any response. 5 to 10 minutes after cardiac death, the human body enters the third stage, brain death. When a person is declared brain dead, death has truly come. Their consciousness will completely disappear from this world and can only live on in the memories of their loved ones. Until time passes and loved ones gradually die, they will be completely forgotten by everyone. Next is the fourth stage, initial decay. Within 1 minute after death, the pupils in the eyes dilate and lose focus. Blood in the body stops flowing. 10 minutes after death, body temperature drops sharply. Under the effect of gravity, all blood gradually sinks to the lower part of the body, and the skin on the body's surface begins to turn pale. Within the next hour, the joints become stiff, and rigor mortis begins to appear. This process will last for 1 or 2 days. In the following 2 hours, due to blood sinking and stagnation, dark red rigor mortis begins to appear on the lower part of the corpse. 12 hours after death, without the suppression of the immune system, microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi begin to multiply rapidly in the body. Unpleasant odors emerge from parts such as the mouth, nose, and anus. 36 hours after death, the rigor mortis phenomenon gradually disappears, and the body begins to become soft. 72 hours after death, bacteria decompose proteins and fats in the body, producing large amounts of putrefactive gas, causing the corpse to swell and form a bloated appearance. The fifth stage, advanced decay. 30 days after death, body tissues will be highly decomposed and no longer recognizable in appearance. 1 year after death, the soft tissues of the body are completely decomposed, leaving only a pile of bones. By this time, except for family members, few people will mention them. The sixth stage, complete disintegration. 100 years after death, the remaining bones will also be completely decomposed. There will be no trace of their presence in this world anymore, and no one will remember their appearance. 100 years of life with all its ups and downs is like a great dream.